Minglewood Dairy is a fifth-generation farm owned and operated by the Solom family. The farming operation includes 3,000 acres of cropland, 1,350 cows, and 1,100 heifers. Their main barn is pressure ventilated. The cows are bedded with sand and milked by 8 robotic milking systems. Minglewood Dairy has bedded their cows with sand for over 29 years, but was not able to find a sand cleaning system that met their needs. In late 2021, Mack Contractors of Menominee, Wisconsin, introduced the Soloms to the Sternholm sand separation system. Sternholm, a Danish company, has gained considerable notoriety in Europe with a unique system that removes sand from dairy manure acceptable to the biogas industry. European biogas plants require that 95% of the sand be removed from dairy manure before it can enter the anaerobic digesters used in large-scale European biogas plants. The sand cleaning system at Minglewood Dairy is the first Sternholm installation in the U.S. The equipment was manufactured in Denmark to U.S. specification and shipped in containers to Wisconsin. Sternholm technicians came from Denmark for a lengthy installation process wherein they have also trained the local Mack staff that will provide service for the new installation. The cows at Minglewood are bedded with cleaned, recycled sand every Wednesday. Alley scrapers continually remove the sand-laden manure from the walk alleys and collect it in an auger trench at the far end of milk pens. An auger and pump deliver the sand-laden manure to the reception pit of the Sternholm system. Twin synchronized Val-metal piston pumps continuously pump sand-laden manure from the reception pit to the Sternholm macerator, which breaks up any obstructions and then feeds the hydrocyclone, which separates the sand from the manure slurry. Via vacuum, the slurry flows out of the top of the hydrocyclone to the rotary drum screen, while the sand drops from the hydrocyclone into the sand cleaning drum. The rotary drum screen produces a manure slurry thickened to the moisture content desired by the anaerobic digester, while the separated liquid is used to dilute the incoming sand-laden manure to the correct moisture content. The sand cleaning drum uses plate cooler fresh water to finish cleaning the sand so that it's ready to be used for bedding the cows after it has drained. I'm here at Minglewood Dairy and I'm sitting with Kevin Solom and Jake Quist, owners, operators of this beautiful farm. So first of all, Kevin, what made you look at the Sternholm system?
Well, we've been on sand bedding here since the early 90s, and as the herd had grown, it got to be a bigger challenge every year to deal with the sand-laden manure, of course, and so we'd been looking at some systems, and then we came upon the Sternholm system, which was really quite a bit ahead of the pack, we thought, and especially with the quality and the fineness of the sand that we can retrieve out of this, and then the super low horsepower that the system requires.
So Jake, benefits to Minglewood? What do you see as the main benefits to the Sternholm system here?
The benefits of the Sternholm would be, first off, the quality sand that we're pulling off the Sternholm when we're bedding the cows with. Benefits would the low horsepower, the simplicity of the design. The sand that we're pulling off is much better for the cows we're bedding with. Am I missing something?
Maintenance?
The very few moving parts goes back to the simplicity, but there's very few moving parts and the maintenance is minimal compared to the competition out there.
And how about the economics?
It's a, oh,
Go ahead.
it's a, the other thing is it's a very, fairly small footprint that this thing takes. It doesn't take a whole lot of room. The economics are, 15 to 16 truckloads a week of sand we were going through, down to about one a week. We're only about a little over a month into this, so we're not sure where that's going to end up yet, but it should be a load a week or less, we're thinking. So it's less, all this wear and tear on our spreaders. We're looking to not have that anymore, and that all the time that we spent in the spring and in the fall hauling the sand out.
Well, what a great piece of technology to utilize. And it fits into your mantra of always improving what you're doing, getting better each and every day.